All right, well, even yesterday, boy, it was a warm, humid day, 87, Ocano. We're going to have similar temperatures today, probably mid-80s for us, if we can get enough sun at times. It's not going to be one of the sunniest days, but boy, is it warm and muggy already. Appleton at 70, Dew Point is 70. That's way up there for a dew point. And look at all the activity out to our west. Now, the computer model's kind of struggling on what to do with this complex of storms, and what happens the rest of the day going to depend on what happens with this. You know, if it falls apart and kind of brings us some clouds, well, that kind of inhibits some of that development for the afternoon. Either way, we do have a frontal boundary on the way, and that's going to be our main trigger. It's showing around late morning, parts of the midday here, and parts of the afternoon. Notice some of these showers and thunderstorms starting to fire and roll their way on through into the late afternoon and early evening. Most of that should be out of here. Now, as they move on through, with that heating of the day and how warm and buggy it is already, you see some of us under what's known as the marginal risk of severe weather. That's one of the lowest risks you can have. Oh, it means like if you see one of these move on through your neighborhood, could bring you a downpour, a quick gust of wind, maybe a little bit of hail. As far as averages here, we're, not too far from what the average high should be already this morning. Look at all the warmth, that heat and humidity all the way around us. We're keeping that here again for today. Where current temperatures, and it's already 75 in Fond du Lac. Ooh, it's warm. 72 in Green Bay. And remember, it's also really muggy. That dew point is close to 70 degrees. And for us, could I say oppressive? It's just going to be a really humid day. So we're waiting for that cool front to roll its way on through. As it does, again, around midday, going through parts of the afternoon, these scattered showers and storms. By tonight, most of that's out of here. We'll bring down the humidity as the night goes on. Though today, again, scattered thunderstorms at times, 84, especially around midday going into the afternoon. For tonight, though, mostly clear skies, and the humidity is going to be dropping as well, bringing us tomorrow less humid conditions. Still plenty of sun. It's still going to be warm. It just won't have all that humidity with it. Now, as we head through our Wednesday, you can see back up to 86, so it is going to be a warm week. Very small chance of a storm on Thursday, and more chances of just a couple of storms for the weekend that wouldn't be a wash.